In this video, we'll talk about the important legal steps you need to take to start a business and why they're important. We'll also cover the importance of not following these steps, walk you through each step, talk about costs, and go over the pros and cons, along with other important info. If you need help with your business, contact Zen Business and Inkfile. They're top-notch and can offer the help you need for your business. With that said, let's begin with an overview. Starting a business involves more than just a good idea. You also need to comply with various legal requirements to ensure your venture's legitimacy and protection. This comprehensive video will guide you through the necessary legal steps, highlighting their importance and the risks of non-compliance. Why legal requirements are necessary for your business. Legal requirements are the rules you need to follow when starting a business. They give your business an official presence, allowing customers and other companies to trust and engage with you. For example, if you start a consulting firm, registering your business not only makes it official, but also provides a framework for entering contracts with clients and vendors. Importance of legal requirements. Legal requirements protect you and your business. By adhering to these rules, you minimize the risk of facing fines or legal action. For instance, businesses must follow employment laws. If you hire staff without understanding your obligations regarding wages, benefits, or workplace safety, you could face penalties that harm your business's finances and reputation. Risks of non-compliance. Ignoring legal requirements has severe consequences. For instance, if you fail to pay business taxes, the government can fine you, or worse, close your business. Not having the proper licenses can also lead to penalties and loss of trust among customers, hampering your business's growth and profitability. And now for a step-by-step guide. Number 1. Select a business structure. The structure affects your taxes, liability, and other factors. For instance, an LLC offers liability protection, meaning your personal assets won't be at risk if your business faces debt or legal issues. Number 2. Register your business name. Your business name establishes your brand's identity. Registering it prevents others from using the same name, avoiding confusion, and protecting your reputation in the marketplace. Number 3. Secure licenses and permits. Different businesses need specific licenses. For example, a food service business must have health department permits, while a consultancy might require professional licenses. Number 4. Obtain an EIN. An EIN is essential for tax filing and is required to hire employees. It's like your business's social security number. Number 5. Handle tax obligations. Understand and comply with tax obligations at all levels, preventing legal issues related to tax evasion or fraud. Number 6. Understand employment laws. Adhering to laws regarding wages, benefits, and workers' rights is crucial when you hire employees. And lastly, number 7. Purchase insurance. Business insurance protects against various risks like property damage or lawsuits. Pricing considerations. Legal compliance isn't free. Costs include registration fees, license and permit expenses, and possibly attorney fees for legal advice. For example, forming an LLC usually costs between $50 and $500, depending on your state. Pros and cons of legal requirements. Pros. Compliance ensures legitimacy, protection from legal issues, and establishes trust with customers. Cons. The process can be costly and time-consuming, with the need to continuously update yourself on changing laws and regulation. Other relevant categories. Additional legal considerations include intellectual property protection, zoning laws, and e-commerce laws. To conclude, while the process might seem daunting, meeting legal requirements is essential for starting a business successfully. The effort invested in compliance will safeguard your venture, providing a strong foundation for future growth and success. Consulting with a qualified accountant or legal professional like Zen Business and Inkfile is highly recommended to ensure you make an informed decision that aligns with your business needs. Links are in the description below. And that's all for this video. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.